Hello everyone, and welcome to this first video about the Fantasia plugin for the Unreal Engine 4. My name is Antonio, and I'm a researcher in human-machine interaction and natural language processing. First of all, let me summarize what Fantasia is. Fantasia is a collection of tools for UE4 that I have developed over the years to work with embodied conversational agents at the University of Padua and at the University of Naples Federico II in Italy. Since I have been working with different characters for different tasks, I developed these tools so that the functionalities characterizing one agent could be easily transferred to others. Since I've done this multiple times with minimal effort now, and since there appears to be an increasing interest towards virtual humans in UE4, I decided to take all the dirty code that I have and re-engineer it so that I could distribute it to the community. I hope it will be helpful for other colleagues in the academy, but I also hope it will help people in general produce amazing stuff. First of all, let's see how to install Fantasia in UE4. Go to the GitHub page and download the code either as a zip or by cloning the repository. The material that you download from here will contain a Fantasia folder that contains the plugin. Switch then to the folder where your project is located and, if necessary, create a plugins folder. Inside the plugins folder, put the Fantasia folder that you just downloaded. Fantasia relies on third-party DLLs in order to work, so before launching the project, be sure to copy the DLLs that are found in the third-party folder, Redist folder, here, in the binaries folder where your project is located. After doing this, you can launch the project. In this case, it's called JSON, and everything should be fine. So now we're in UE4, in this sample world that we created for our tutorials. If you want to check that Fantasia was correctly installed, go to the Edit menu, and then Plugins, scroll down the list, and in Other, you should find Fantasia enabled. This concludes our first video about how to install Fantasia in UE4. In the next videos, we'll see how to use Fantasia to build embodied conversational agents in UE4.